If you guys are wondering where I'm taking my cruise to, I'm going to the beach. PCH, bro. There's a lot of motorcycles. Everybody's just coming back from the beach, bro. Look at that, everybody. Now we really gotta cruise because there's a RV in the front. I mean a truck with a trailer in the front, so now we really gotta cruise. But it's a vibe. I haven't gone on a cruise in a minute, so it's a vibe. Oh, we pulled off to the side.
You deserve the world, I couldn't give you less.
Somewhere here, but it looks like it might be impossible. Oh. I might have to bust a U-turn. Park somewhere, but I can't find any parking there. And I'd have to bust a U-turn to go way back over there again. Because it looks like Topanga is already packed, so I don't know. Maybe if I could get this U-turn right here or something. I busted a U-turn, but I doubt I'm gonna find any parking on the side over here. It's so dark now. The water is like right there, but you can't even see it. It's so dark. Ooh, it's so dark, dude. And we found our turn. I like going to Cannon Road because it's a nice. There's like 2 tunnels there where I want to get pops. I'm enjoying this cruise so far. Wait.
It hurts to say goodbye. No one let you down. Wasn't that your love, wasn't good.
We got the tunnel.
Trying to get us done, counting numbers, like how many we got, in this monkey basement, that stinks hella hot. Before hitting the club, young thugs pulling up, trying to get us a dub. Counting numbers, like how many we got, in this monkey basement, that stinks hella hot.
I'm so tired. I just killed that workout, bruh. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eddie back again with another video. I wanted to start off at the gym, started the vlog at the gym, you know, just a little something new I'm trying to do right now. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded. It's been a week that I haven't uploaded. If I'm keeping it real with you guys, you know, just some things happened over the weekend. Heartbreaks, you feel me? Shit like that. Where, you know, I gotta do my thing. And you guys seen the InZaNe belt? I wanted to show you guys that too, so I know you guys saw that in the video. You guys are probably like, dude, that belt's sick, where'd you get it? Actually, my ex-girlfriend got me that. We're good, you know, we just gotta do our own thing, you know. Mad love for her though, you know, still got nothing but love and respect, nothing negative to say about her, but you know how it is, you know, when you go through a heartbreak, your feelings, you get in this depressed mode, and I'm not trying to get in that mode. It's just, you know, up from here. So just keeping it positive. I'm just doing my thing. It's all good though, you know. I'm doing better. I'm good. I'm chilling. So we good over here. Yeah, that's where that belt came from. So that belt is very helpful. So if you guys want one, you guys can go to Pioneer Engineering. For all you lifters out there and you guys want a customized belt, go right there, because that's where she got it from me. And also the other reason why I haven't really uploaded is because I don't have anything new for the car. Like, I haven't done anything, but I did get some carbon fiber mirror caps. I got them in a couple days ago, but like I said, I was in that little funk, so I didn't even want to vlog or anything. But we back. I'm good. I'm chilling. We good. And yeah, I gotta wash the car before I install them, but then I'm thinking about going to the track today, so I don't know if I even want to wash them and install them today, or I just might install them and not wash the car and then go to the track and then wash the car another day. I don't know. We still don't know what's gonna go on. But guys, I'm good. Everything's chilling out. You know, everybody goes through a heartbreak, and unfortunately, you know, your boy had to go through one. It just is what it is. That's life, and we just gotta keep it positive, keep it moving. But I hope you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day. And like I said, guys, if you guys are ever going through anything, like, just think of the positivity, the outcomes. Try to distract yourself from those things that are keeping you negative. Go out, walk, do something, you know. Just keep yourself productive so you're not in a funk. And that goes for anything and everything, you feel me? Not just the heartbreak. It goes for anything. And it just, you know, you just gotta stay positive at the end of the day. Thank you guys also for, you know, being real ones and coming back to the videos. Like I said, I was in this funk, and one thing I want to say, guys, like, I appreciate you guys and thank you guys for like keeping me positive. You know, you guys keep me positive to keep doing videos like this, because I know you guys would feel that energy through the video if I gave you guys this funk weird vibe, you feel me? So thank you guys for letting me be me and keeping it 100 with you guys, for real. Like, that means a lot to me, that I know I can come and talk to you guys and vent to you guys, and you guys will be chilling with it, you feel me? So thank you, and I appreciate y'all, for real. Excuse me. Didn't even know I was gonna burp or not, but anyways, so guys, I told you guys I did get carbon fiber mirror caps, and I haven't even installed them. I told you guys. I'm gonna show you what they look like. I was surprised too, because I bought these off Amazon and I was very sketched. But bro, they're real carbon fiber. Dude. The weave is on point too, like everything on it. And look. Real carbon, my folks. You know what this is. Real carbon fiber. And it did come with 3M tape, so we put a long around the side, and yeah, hopefully this 3M tape is really good, that it just sticks, and we just had to do that. I was gonna wash my car today, but my dad took the hose, so I can't even wash the car. So we're just gonna wash the mirror caps, put it on, and it's gonna look nice. So this is pretty much all you guys gotta do, is put 3M tape on this side of it, and then you take off the peel, and then voila, it sticks. So I still got this one to do, but I already got this one, 3M tape. Shout out to them for already hooking it up. And then yeah, boom. Alright, so I cleaned it all up nice and right, and then this is how it's gonna go on. So basically this is how it's supposed to stay, and boom, that's how it's supposed to be on. But obviously I gotta take off the tape so it can stick, and then boom, we're chilling. Alright guys, it is car wash time. Look how dirty the car is. Oh my, yep, she needs a wash. You guys can't tell, but it is dusty. Look at that. Oh yeah. Same thing with the wheels. Dirty than a mug. Carbon fiber mirror cap still intact. Okay. Know what I'm saying? Oh wait, hold up. Oh, it scares me, bro. We have to put more M tape on this. I said I did order more carbon fiber parts, and I wasn't playing. Here are the door pillars. They basically go right here. Right here. They go into this. Obviously I have to remove that. Put it right there. I got this strip as well, included with this. So we're gonna put that on after we wash the car, because obviously I want to wash it and get it all nice in there. So yeah, shout out to King Carbon Fiber right here, door pillars. So let's get the wash. Oh, I finally got the carbon fiber door pillars installed with right here and right here. Bro, it looks so amazing with the sun glistening with the carbon fiber mirror caps. I just realized I got those from Custom Tuning. He had them on Amazon and I got the last pair and I was like, bro, I'm on that. So Custom Tuning actually hooked me up with this, but I bought them, not hook up, but you feel me. And then King Carbon Fiber right here. Hard. I'm gonna leave King Carbon Fiber's link in the description if you guys want to check out more of his carbon fiber parts. He has tons of parts. Well, it just looks amazing, dude. Just look at this. The weave pattern on this is just insane. I love it. Same thing with right here. All real carbon fiber. No cap here. No caparoo. I just need the hood now, or the trunk, whichever. So if anybody has one and wants to sell it to me, hook me up.